Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm going to show you how to make California Sushi Rolls. I am a huge fan of sushi and if you are here, you must be one too. This sushi recipe is easy, simple and perfect if you want to impress somebody without paying the big bucks at fancy restaurants. You're going to need a few simple ingredients and the basic sushi kit. I'm using this one from Blauki, and if you don't have one, you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's start by making the sushi rice. Wash the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. Then drain well. Put the drained rice in a saucepan and add the water. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to a medium and let it cook covered until all the water is absorbed, about 10 minutes. It's best not to remove the lid while it cooks. Remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for about 10 minutes covered. Transfer the hot rice to a large bowl. And fluff it with a bamboo paddle to break all the clumps. Let the rice cool, and meanwhile, let's make the sushi rice seasoning. In a small jug, add rice vinegar, sugar, and sea salt. Whisk thoroughly until the sugar dissolves. Once the rice has cooled, stir in the vinegar mixture. The easiest way to make the sushi rolls is with a bamboo mat. Make sure you wrap it in cling film to make it easier to reuse and clean it afterwards. Actually, you don't even have to wash it, you just have to remove the wrap once you're done and it's already clean. Next, chop the surimi and slice into long strips the cucumber and avocado. Fold the pieces of nori in half and gently split them. Place one half onto the bamboo mat. Take a generous spoonful of sushi rice and place it in the middle of the nori sheet. Using the rice spreader or your wet hands, spread it evenly across the entire surface. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Quickly flip the nori so the rice is facing down. Place the crab meat, cucumber and avocado across the middle of the sheet. Start rolling the bamboo mat upwards. Make sure it's tight enough to prevent the roll from falling apart when you cut it. Run a sharp knife through a damp paper towel. Cut the roll in half Then quickly and carefully slice the 2 halves into 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters pieces. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. You should have 6 sushi rolls. Serve the California Sushi Rolls with soy sauce and wasabi, and make every day a sushi day. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!